So there's this amazing new method I discovered that I can't wait to share with you. If you're the sort of person who is constantly watching videos on how to make money online, this brand new strategy is for you. How much money can you earn off of this? Let's just imagine you'll be able to earn around $30,000 each month by just posting links. If you think that's ridiculous, just look at how much money I've made with this method. I've only started doing this for a few days, but I've always been able to generate this much money. Consider doing this for a month. The earning potential with this brand new method is limitless. If you stick around until the end, I'll show you some secret extra tips to help you make more. Many people are unaware of the tips I'll share with you, and you'll only see them on my channel. That is why I strongly advise you to watch the entire video. But first, welcome to Money Intelligence, where we show you how to make money online in the simplest way possible. Please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime we release a new video on how to make money online, you will be the first to know and you will be able to start making things happen right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Please don't be shy about leaving a comment down below if you have any concerns, questions, or thoughts regarding the video. Let's get back to the video now, shall we now? Now, let's return to the video. Okay, let's take a look at all of these campaigns right now. These campaigns will be used to generate revenue for us. I'll walk you through a step-by-step instruction on how to profit from this. So keep an eye out. Don't worry, because this website is available in every country on the planet. So, regardless of where you are right now, you will be able to make money from this. What I enjoy about this is that even if you have no experience doing online tasks, you can earn a lot of money with it because the method I'm going to teach you is completely beginner-friendly. The website we'll be using in today's video is called Kick Booster, and you can find it at kickbooster.me. Then you'll be sent to their homepage, which looks like this. What you need to do now is hover over users and then click on affiliates. The link will then direct you to this page where you can learn more about becoming an affiliate marketer on this website. You may see right now on this website that you can earn incentives for sharing the projects that you enjoy. You can also use Kick Booster to build unique affiliate links to your favorite projects and earn rewards for every successful pledge that comes via your link by scrolling down below. You can also post your affiliate links on your blog, social media, email, or anywhere else you like and watch the money pour in. The more you share, the more money you make. Isn't that a fantastic method to make money? You'll be able to view the process for becoming an affiliate marketer for this website if you scroll down further. And it just takes 4 steps. And I'll lead you through those 4 stages so you may profit from this website as well. So in order to earn money from this website, you must first sign up for a free account, then create an affiliate account in less than 2 minutes and without paying anything. As I said before, the next step is to choose a project to advertise. They have a number of projects that you can choose from and earn money from, and you can explore their marketplace to find excellent projects to share. Then you must spread the news. With the press of a button, you may generate a unique affiliate link that you can share with your network. You may post it on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any other social media platform of your choosing. Finally, once you've completed all of the above procedures, you may sit back and relax while waiting for your commission. That's all there is to it. If you think that was quick, don't worry. I'll show you a step-by-step instruction later on so you don't get lost. Many people usually skip the video, and as a result, they do not earn anything. And I don't want it to happen to you because I want you to profit from the tactics I'm demonstrating to you. That is why you should watch this video all the way through. As a result, the first step is to create an affiliate account on Kick Booster. And all you have to do is go down to the bottom of the website and then click on this purple button that says Sign Me Up. After that, you'll be redirected to this affiliate marketer page. To join up, simply enter your information in the spaces below and remember to check the box to agree to their terms and conditions. To complete the registration procedure, click the box that reads I'm not a robot, then click the Submit button. You now have an affiliate marketer account on Kick Booster. Creating an account on Kick Booster is that simple. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's return to the video. You will now be led to your personal dashboard after making an account. This dashboard will show you how much money you've made so far from your affiliate links. Because this account is fresh new, there are no profits yet, but as you watch this video, you'll notice that $0 turns into $100, then $500, and finally $1,000. And so on, so you best keep an eye on things. The second step is to seek for projects to promote right now. Simply click on Marketplace and you'll be brought to the Obtain Boosters Marketplace. So if you go down to this page, you'll be able to view some of the projects that are accessible on Kick Booster on the left side, and you can pick which category you want to see. There are several goods in the Kick Booster industry that you may promote. They offer beauty and personal care items, design, education, everyday carry, fashion, cuisine, gaming, health, home goods, outdoors, sporting goods, technology, and travel. Simply click on any of these categories to view the projects available. In a minute, I'll show you which category to select in order to make the most money. It'll be really simple, so you don't have to be concerned. And the greatest part is that it is completely free. You do not need to invest any of your hard-earned money in order to achieve this. Okay, so the areas that I've tried and tested are design, health, and technology, which are 3 types of things that you can advertise and earn a lot of money from. So click on these 3 categories, and Kick Booster will show you the items that fall into each of the 3 categories. As I stated at the beginning of the video, I'm going to offer you an extra tip immediately. So under this drop-down box that says Sort By, I want you to pick Commission, High to Low, since that way you'll be able to view the items that pay a high commission when you promote them. After you do that, Kick Booster will now show you the products with the highest commissions. When you scroll down to this page, you'll see these products that will give you a very high commission. You can see that these products will give you anywhere between 20% and 30% in commissions, which is quite a large amount for me, and you don't have to do much anyway. You just need to share the affiliate link and wait for people to click on your link, and they will give you your commission. That's fantastic. So now we need to select a product. You can literally choose whatever you want, but for this video, I'll be using this product because of the hefty commission percentage. When you click on the product, you will be sent to its landing page where you can learn more about it. As you can see, they will offer you a 30% fee for every dollar you help raise for their campaigns. I will now click on the View Campaign option. To learn more about the initiative, go here. I believe this is a fantastic product, and many people will click on it if you share it with them. The beautiful thing about this is that you don't need a large number of people to click on your affiliate link to make money. You just need 3 or 4 individuals to start marketing this product, and you'll be able to make a substantial amount of income right away. Simply click on this button, and you'll be given a special affiliate link that you can copy and share with others. You may wonder, where can I distribute my link? Don't worry, since I'll show you some alternative traffic sources where you may post your link later on. And I know a lot of people use these websites because I use them. The first website with a high volume of visitors is Quora.com. Now, I've mentioned this website previously, and I believe you're already familiar with it. What you need to do on Quora is simply search on new technology. You'll be able to see people talking about this topic, and these people will be interested when you share with them the product that you found on Kick Booster. You can simply reply to any of these posts and then talk about the product that you found, and then share with them your affiliate link. Facebook is the second website. I know many of you have Facebook accounts, and you may utilize them to advertise your affiliate link. On Facebook, search for Technology Enthusiast and then click on Groups, and all you have to do here is join one of these groups. You may then communicate with the members and share the Kick Booster product with them via your affiliate link. You may do this again and again because Kick Booster provides a large selection of items to pick from. You'll be able to earn your commissions and spend them as you choose in a matter of days. That's the end of it. It's been Money Intelligence. Subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.